Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel!
Win this conference, and that's a process of this team, and then how we finish is very good, like nothing to else. From the beginning, our volleyball level is not unlike now, but we passed 6 months and we did more than like 10 games, and we make it a lot of improvement. I'm so happy now. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Ellie Soyd with 18 points. Ellie, big win for Akari, and yun nga, na-sweep na yun Choco Mucho. Personally lang ba, ano yung mindset mo? Especially nung mga huling points, parang gigil na din mabuhay panalo.
Wala, sa akin naman kasi, ando na kami, last points na lang, parang ibigay natin lahat. Kasi mahirap pag binigyan pa namin ng momentum yung Choco. Siyempre, magbabounce back talaga sila. So, habang nasa amin yung momentum, kunin namin and para hindi na din kami mahirapan.
Thank you. And for IB, kayo nakascore ng winning point for Akari. Gano'n ka lang din siguro ka-proud sa nilaban ng team, especially after a long conference, tapos down kayo ng 1 game sa series na to?
Siguro po sa akin yung last point na ba't ako niyak?
Wala yun.
Parang syempre parang naisip ko yung yung lahat nung nangyari po ngayong conference. So parang siguro yung last point, dun nabuhos po lahat.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, what can you say about the growth of this team from barely making it to the semis before you took over, now you won your second podium finish with the bronze?
Because last conference, like everyone was saying, like, oh, we have already, that's why we went to the championship. But actually, before the starting of this conference, my target is going to the ranking sheets, and then after that, we will see, like, going to the semi-final, quarter-final, and in this way, growing up, it's like end of the game, end of the season, like against strong team, we still fighting. We show our fighting spirits, and then we show like we deserve to go to the top 4 team, even like we came to ranking 7. So I think that's my target. As my project need to improve for all the players on this team, and also like getting inspiration from the strong team, and a lot of things we are learning from that, and it's really totally good.